You know, Yar, we think holding on makes us strong, but sometimes letting go is what truly sets us free. There was this little bird, Na, who used to write every memory, whether happy or sad, on tiny stones and keep them in a small pouch. Day by day, that pouch kept getting heavier, but the bird refused to let it go. "This is my life, bro," it said proudly. But one stormy day, the weight became too much, and the poor bird fell, crushed under the same memories it once loved so deeply. When the rain stopped, an old wise owl came and softly said, "Beta, memories are meant to guide you, not to bury you. So think, dust, are you living freely in the present, or still trapped under the weight of your past?" If this story touched your heart, Yara, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more heart-touching stories.